Now that I have it figured out and it works, so the big thing was the bearing wouldn't lock into the threads, and if it doesn't lock into the threads, then there's no point in having it adjust like this. After 3 days, 4 days, whatever it was, I finally figured it out. And what I'm going to do is show you how to make it in 3D, how to model it, and then if you guys want to make one for yourselves and you have your own 3D software, you can do it. You can download the one on Thingiverse, but this is just the basics behind doing it.